Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. As you see in the title and thumbnail, today I'm going to draw Mr. Vijay. So this is his birthday special and I just made this video for our satisfaction and wishing him. I don't want to talk much, so if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and join with my lovely YouTube family because here I'm having a lot of videos like this in future. Enjoy this video friends. So friends, we had came to an end, so I just drawn him. Hope you guys like this drawing and this video. So if you like this, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and support me friends. Thanks for watching friends.